Hey guys, today we are going to take a look at the levels in the adjustments panel. So just open up your Photoshop and just install these images from Unsplash. I have just installed this and it's good to go. Just press Ctrl O in your keyboard and open up some images. I have downloaded two images. One is mountains and one is this. I'll just open up both and I'll get back to the mountain one. Just press Ctrl O. So we are going to talk something about levels in the adjustments panel. If your adjustment panel is not showing up, hover above here in the window and just click on adjustments here, and it should appear here. There should be a small tick mark enabled here. Okay, yeah, you can take, yeah, just like this. So there are different kind of options here: vibrance, exposure, curves, levels, and brightness. Now I'm going to show you about levels. Just click here, okay, and you can take a look in the layers menu that a new layer has been formed called levels 1, and there is a chain link to it. So I have not messed something up so that we can take a look at the eye symbol to make the layer visible. Okay, and there are this is the layers menu. You can take a look at it in the properties here. Okay, and there are three dots, right? This is the gray, this is black, and this is gray, and this is white. So there is a lot of white here, and there is a lot of gray, and there is not much of black in the image. So you can adjust a image using levels like this. You can take a look at it, feel good, and you can even assign different kind of value for it. Like I'll assign it 20. No, 20 is too 10. Yeah, this is good. You can play with it. Wait, why is this not working out? Wait, yeah, you can play with it in this way. Wait, yeah, this, I think this is good. Yeah, you can take a look at it. You can even pop up the image color. Yeah, now you can go ahead and download images from Unsplash and play with your own image. Okay, like wait, let me show you. Play with the levels of the image. Wait, let me do this. Just press Ctrl O so that the image fits the screen, and unlock the background, and just go to levels and just adjust it a bit. Like, wait, it's too dark. You can take a look it in the rocks. This is the black color thing. The blacks are getting more darker. Wait, let me do it for you. Yeah, this is good. This is good. Yeah, so this is how you play with levels. In further videos I'll explain you all the adjustment tools here and about filters. Okay, this is it for the video, and try picking up a new image and add levels to it.